Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I do grilled king crab legs. A good friend of my boyfriend suggested that we try grilled crab legs, and he was like, once you try those, you are not going to want to eat boiled crab legs anymore. And I was like, okay. So I went home, I grilled them, and they were amazing. So I wanted to share it with you. So I've already melted some butter. Now this butter sauce that we'll be making is so that we can baste the crab legs once they are on the grill. So I'm going to add some Old Bay, and you know me, I don't measure. I just add in slowly and go from there. And then this is my favorite season. I'm actually going to have to see if I can find this online. This is on all seafood. It's the Tony's garlic sriracha. It's so good. And of course, nothing's wrong with adding just a little bit more garlic. Just a little shake. And then I'm going to add in some fresh cut up minced garlic. And I'm just going to stir this all together and sit this to the side. So it should look like this. So I'm gonna let this sit so that the garlic can marinate. And I'm also going to chop up just a little bit of onion, just to give it a little onion flavor. I don't want to put too much seasoning because on the side we'll be having some of my seafood sauce. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure that you check that out as well. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and mix that together and let that sit. Now I am going to cut the crab legs. You have to start from the top part. So you start from right here. I've already cleaned and washed them, but you're going to take your kitchen shears. Sometimes it can be a little tough and a little spiky on the other side. So you're going to make sure you just take your kitchen shears and cut down that first part first. After you get past that first part, this part right here is like really tender. And you're just going to make just like a little cut. And I just cut the first top of it. Let's see. Let's see if I can go. Well, yeah, I don't want to cut it all the way because it'll break. So yeah, typically I'll cut the top of it. But if anything, you can cut all the way down. So, oh, it's just spiky, Jesus. Yes, so you can just cut all the way down. And that's your little split. And once you grill your crab legs, you're just going to baste the butter in there so that it can get in the inside of the crab leg. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of this, and I'll meet you outside. Alrighty, so this is it. This is the grilled crab legs. I simply just flip them back and forth. They typically take about 10 minutes, but you just want to check them because it's depending on the size of your crab legs. And I'm going to enjoy this with a side sauce that I make, and the grill taste is immaculate. So if you have time one day, try out grilled king crab, something simple and easy and quick to make. Thank you for tuning in.